Hey crazy cuties, welcome to my channel. My name is Alex. If you're new here, I'm cruelty-free ME who loves to play with makeup. If you've been here before, welcome back. Today's video is a Valentine's Day look. I'm very excited to create this look, not just because it's Valentine's Day or because I'm in a relationship or anything. I'm just here to have fun and play with makeup. And I'm using the Ebin New York Secret of the Pharaohs eyeshadow palette in Cleopatra's Love. I've used this palette many times on this channel. I really do like it. I love the formula, and this is what it looks like. It is a very beautiful palette. I really enjoy it, and I really do like it. I think I'm playing with the purples, a little pink shimmer. I don't know. I'm not much of a pink fan, but you know what? Yeah. So of course, all the products I've used in this video will be down below. So I'm just gonna go ahead and prime my eyes. Valentine's Day, man. It's here. You know, I don't feel like Valentine's Day, to me, Valentine's Day is just another day. Not just because or anything. It's just, to me, if you're in a relationship or anything like that, you should always spend time with that person, no matter what. Spoil occasionally, go out and spend time, and that's how I feel about it anyway. It should be just one day. You know, I think it should be all the time. But I'm very excited for anyone who's going out for their Valentine's Day. So, I'm happy for anyone who's going out. I'm just saying, me. I'm good at home. I'm a homebody. Quite to be honest. I'm a homebody. I've always been that way anyway, and now let's play with some colors. Let's have fun. Okay. Like I said, I really don't know what I'm going to play with. I'm actually going to use Alexander. Just this purpley shade right here. Like I said, I've used this palette many of times, so I know how the formula is going to be like. It's a beautiful formula. And I'm trying to think what I want to do. Let's go in the outer V. Just a little bit. And just bring that into the crease. You're wondering why I'm using a big brush, because I want this to be a blending color anyway, not a color you want to see a lot anyway. And then I actually going to go for this I'm going to use Juba the second. It's this dark purple shade right here. I mean, it's a beautiful color. I really like this. And yes, I am actually just going to focus. Sorry, I cannot speak today for some reason. My speech impediment. Focus the color right here because I'm going to go to dark. Like that. I'm going to use a clean brush because I feel like if I go with any other kind of brush, it's not going to go right the way I want it. So we're just going to go blend those two colors together. You want to use a clean brush because you don't want any added color to it. I'm going back to Alexander just to buff those two colors in a little bit. Like I said, I'm just trying to blend it. I feel like I need to go into a color that matches my skin tone. I used a WetnWild single eyeshadow in Brulee or Creme Brulee. I like this because it helps with just blending out the colors that I need to blend out. I like doing that because it makes it easier, especially if you're playing with colors like these. Sometimes having a color that matches your skin tone does better. So that's what I'm gonna do, because I do want this to just kind of, I don't know, emulsify those colors, but make it a little bit, I don't know. Now, I might use Caesar just to have a little reddish tone to it. I feel like that'd be pretty. So, yeah, or use Caesar. You know, Julius Caesar, Cleopatra's first love. And the only kid that she ever brought into the world was Julius Caesar's kid. That's some crazy history right there. Just saying. Would I wear this for Valentine's Day look? Yeah. Okay, I like that. A little red to it. With some purple and some red. I'll do that after I do this. Okay, I'm gonna use August. This really, really shade color right here. August. I thought this was really cute. Yep, we're gonna do it. We might mix Caesarean, but I don't know yet. We're just gonna have fun. And it's gonna go blend that down like that. Oh, this is my first time using August like this, so up that into the crease. Looks so really nice, like dark and vibrant. Like, come on. I'm gonna put mascara on, and I'm gonna use the e.l.f. mascara volumizing one because I really but I'll be right back with the finished look. This is the finished look. I want the nudie look because if I go anything, it would be way too much for this eye look. I'm just like, I'm done. So I didn't do nothing below like anything like that because the main focus is this red shimmer and this purple and this, yeah. But yeah, I like it. I really do. Even with this super glossy look that may or may not work with this look. I just got to grab it and I'm like, yeah, let's go ahead and put it on. But yeah, that's what I did. Just, of course, all the perks will be down below. But yeah. Are you excited to be Valentine's Day? If you're single, date yourself. Spoil yourself. You're in a relationship with your boyfriend or your girlfriend. Congratulations. You're married. Congratulations. You're divorced. Treat yourself. If you're a teenager, you're fine. Just wait. I promise you. Just wait. But yes, for me, I'm excited. I'm happy. I get to spend with babe every single day. Anyway, so Valentine's Day is just another day to me. I shall repeat that until we're together, like in person and physical and living together. I'll be one happy boy. Okay? Just the truth. I promise. But yes, if you do like this video, make sure you hit the like button. So I know you want to see more content like this, and also want to see more looks. I really like this look. I do. Of course, you want to be part of the Crazy Cuties clan. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. We're drama free and judgment free here. We welcome everybody here. And of course, make sure the notification bell so you can be notified of any new videos that I upload. I do go live every Monday and Wednesday at 12 p.m. Eastern time, and I do go live on Fridays at 9 along with my friend Christine. If she's not coming on, I'm gonna be like, I ain't coming on either, because she's a lot of fun. I love her. I love her to death. She's my bestie. So I hope you have a wonderful day or night wherever you're at. I love you, and God bless.